Hey, Joey and Brian with Nashville Steam here. You know, we have a lot of incredible individuals from the Nashville area that are involved with the restoration of 576, including our director and longtime supporter, Dr. Jack Fisher. Dr. Fisher has built an absolutely incredible model railroad at his home for the past 25 years. Let's head over there to check out the empire he's built right there in his basement.
Anything related to trains, I have a passion for. Hello, my name is Dr. Jack Fisher. I'm a plastic surgeon. I've lived in Nashville now for 35 years. Besides loving my career and also having a wonderful family, you're going to be seeing what I have accomplished with friends' help in both outdoor and indoor railroad. This railroad was begun in 2004. Actually, I had a version in 1995 of a different scale, and originally it was just this one room we're in right now. Primarily a Chicago 1956, mostly Milwaukee Road. But because it's Chicago, I also have New York Centrals, Chesapeake and Ohio, and Santa Fe coming here. But like any train collector, one has very little self-control. This is a Chicago subway from the 50s. Matter of fact, this is the exact railroad that I rode on when I was a kid. And then here's the station above. So we're gonna walk up, and we're actually walking outside right now because this was all open. This is a fake wall just so it blocks your view of the rest of the railroad. And the more walls you have with a railroad like this, the more detail you can create with these little vignettes. This garden railway is 25 years old. What I really enjoy is the garden part. I grew up in an apartment building in Chicago, so I have almost 100 miniature plants. I've also worked on the Children's Hospital Railroad, our museum railroad, and then is my commitment to helping get 576, the beautiful steam engine here in Nashville that we're restoring, back on the tracks, being downtown Nashville. This project is really not limited to people who are just train advocates. This applies to all of us. This engine was designed here in Nashville. It's the history of our city.